Hello, beautiful person watching this video. Welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. So today we are making some delicious herby baked potatoes. These potatoes, guys, if you love potatoes, you definitely want to give this recipe a try. They are so crispy on the outside and so soft and chewy on the inside. They are infused with some fresh and dried herbs, and they paired so well with a jerk chicken. If you haven't checked that recipe out, make sure you check how I made my jerk chicken and the stir-fried spinach. The combo was so delicious together. Please stick around and let me share with you in a moment how I put this together. So for our baked potatoes, we will use for our baked potato, guys, we'll need the following. So I have here some russet potatoes, which is of course the star. I have some olive oil here. I have some spice blend in here, which is just some smoked paprika. I have some all-purpose seasoning, Mrs. Dash, and salt, and also some fresh thyme and rosemary. I just went ahead and chopped this up. So I am going to proceed to peel off our potatoes because I'm going to take the skin off. I'm not going to bake it with the skin on. So guys, to start, I'm just going to use my potato peeler and just peel off the skin of our potatoes. And I have some water right here. So once I peel my potatoes, I'm just going to go ahead and just cut it the way I want it to be at once and just put it inside the water. So I'm going to be cutting them up into this shape. I'm halving them basically. So I'll just proceed to peel the rest of the potatoes. Make sure you remove all the darker skins from there, like this, and I'll just halve this. Okay, like so. I'm done peeling up the potatoes. They're in here in this water. I'm just going to quickly clean up, and I'll let it sit in there for 30 minutes like I mentioned, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. So guys, I'm going to transfer the potatoes in here. It's been sitting for 30 minutes and it released some starch. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it up properly to make sure that any excess starch in our potatoes comes out. And while the potatoes was in the water soaking up, I had my pot here and I'm just bringing some water to boil right now. And to that, I'm going to add some salt in the water. And I'm just going to put in my potatoes gently. I want to cook this up for about 7 minutes. Oops. So I'm going to let my potatoes just sit in there for about 7 minutes, maybe like 7 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure that it doesn't soften too much. We just want it to soften up a little bit so it doesn't take too long in the oven to bake. So I will come back and show you how it looks like once it's been cooking for 7 minutes. So guys, after 8 minutes, I turn off the heat on the potatoes and I have it in here. I'm just going to transfer it in here. You want to make sure that you put it in your strainer so all the water can come out and then it can evaporate. It's going to quickly dry, as you can see, just because of the heat. So this is how it looks like. It's like halfway cooked maybe, or yeah, almost halfway cooked in here, but you don't want it to be too mushy too, right? So I'm just gonna let the heat evaporate from there, and then we'll move to the next step. Guys, I went ahead and I transferred the potatoes in this bowl, and to that I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil. Next, I'll go in with a fresh thyme and rosemary. I'll go in with a dry marinade as well. I'm going to season it with some salt. And I'm just going to shake this around to make sure it mixes properly. See why you don't want to overcook your potatoes, because then it will be breaking at this point. You want to be careful though as you shake. Ooh, smells amazing, guys. Take a look. This is how it looks. I'm just going to toss this back into the oven. So guys, I did preheat my oven to 475. The potatoes look so beautiful, guys. I did preheat my oven to 475, and this should be baking for about 40 minutes. Really depending on how your oven is. Again, it could be less, could be more, but I'm going to take this out after about 20 minutes, and I'll just flip it before I put it back into the oven. So you want to make sure that you monitor your potatoes and just see how they look and they're doing. Look at that. Looks so beautiful, guys. Cannot wait. Oof. So family, our potatoes are out of the oven. As you can see, they look so gorgeous. It smells so good in my kitchen right now. They are so crispy. I actually tried one, and so crispy outside. Like, you want to serve them warm if you can. Your family will love it, or your guests are going to love it. They are so delicious, and I cannot wait to just have dinner tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please give your girl a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Join the Healthy with Bena family. Share this video with your family and your friends. Tell your family about Healthy with Bena. Just remember that everything always in moderation and balance. The key to sustainable weight loss is always moderation and balance. Thank you again so much. Please continue to drink lots of water. Remember that water can boost your overall immune system. Please stay well, be safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.